Isn't it great knowing that just by clicking a few random buttons, you could be making up to $40 per selection over and over again? That may not sound like a lot of money, but imagine being able to accumulate that $40 and eventually making up to $800 every single day. Now that's huge right there. We're going to be showing you a method today that's going to be doing just this. Your payment can be cashed out in any way that you want to cash it out. So it's completely your choice. It's also completely free, so no investments or fees that need to be paid, which we always make sure that our methods are 100% free. It's available to everyone from all around the globe, which is also another thing that's very important to us regarding the methods or strategies that we share with you guys. So don't even worry about that. We're going to be dropping some tips and tricks all throughout today's video that's going to help you make the most money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of the steps to making your first $800 online, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First thing that we want you to do is open up enrollapp.com, and this is how that website should look like. As you can see, let's make the web a better place. Be heard, not part of the herd. Now what we want you to do is click on the register button right here, and as soon as you click on that, you're going to see this, wherein you're going to be inputting your sign up, email, and your password twice, and then agreeing to the terms and conditions, confirming that you are not a robot, and finally hitting on enroll now. As soon as you hit on enroll now, this is going to pop up and it should say that you must check your email inbox to confirm your registration so that you can successfully sign up. So go ahead and open up your inbox and look for an email just like this one, and simply click on confirm my account, and then boom, your email address has successfully been confirmed. And now you can finally sign in to your brand new and personal EnrollApp account, and as you can see, all you need to be able to sign in is type in your email and then your password, and you can even hit on remember me so that you won't have to manually sign in the next time you come back to EnrollApp. As soon as you sign into EnrollApp officially with your personal account, this is what you're going to be met with next. And clearly, there is another whole process that you're going to have to go through before being able to officially start making money. So let's just go about this quickly. But before that, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now going back to our strategy, this is what you're going to see immediately after signing in. So first you can see that your progress is at 0%, which, because you haven't done anything yet, just set up your profile. And the first thing you'll have to do is provide your first name and your last name. So just do that and then confirm you are a robot, and then hit on continue. Then once you hit continue, you're going to see this, and obviously you're going to want to choose I accept your challenge, because that's kind of the whole point. Now it's time to get to know me and hit let's do this. Basically, you're just going to follow through with the entire process and provide all that they're asking. So your PayPal, the languages that you speak, your mobile number, where you live, your availability, and select yes, your gender and your birth date, your highest level of education, and choose at least college graduate. Now don't worry, they're not going to ask you for any proof, so just choose college graduate even if you're not an actual college graduate. Then your day job, you can just choose if you're unemployed or if you're a student, just choose whatever. Then your top job skills, your income, and how you earn, and the rest of that. And then you're just gonna finish off your registration like you normally would by filling up all of your personal information, and boom, you're now more than 100% at this point. And now that you've created yourself a profile and everything, it's time to get the money making deal started. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. As soon as you're done and complete with the initial steps, you will immediately see polls on your dashboard, and these polls are what you're supposed to answer in order to make money. Obviously, the more polls you answer, the more money you can make. Make sure you answer as honest as possible because you could end up getting flagged. Anyway, as soon as you're able to answer each poll, you're going to see the statistics, how many people said yes, how many people said no, and how many were indefinite. So all of that will be shown as soon as you give your answer. As you complete each poll, it's going to add up more and more, as you can see right here on the polls answered section. And basically, you just keep answering and answering polls. And when you see the cow move up above here, and that means that you're making progress. And that's what we really want to see. We want the cow moving. We want to see progress being made, which is very important when it comes to earning money with Enroll app. Now we want you to click on achievements up here, and then you're actually going to see a more in-depth view of your progress. So your total badges, your total points, the badges that you're actually able to unlock, and of course the cow that moves up as well. Basically everything. And this is where you can mostly keep track of all of your completions and stuff like that, which are all very important to check up on so you won't lose track of your achievements and you'll know how much you could be making in total. Now, you should obviously answer as honestly as possible, like we've mentioned earlier, but we noticed that if you have more answers that are yes, then you are more likely to make more money in a shorter amount of time. And we've actually been observing and experimenting, so we know what to let you guys do more specifically. That's going to help you make more money with today's method. And that is our exact observation, actually, that the more yes answers you have, the more money you're actually paid, which we're not exactly sure how that works or why Enroll app works that way, and it is kind of a sad fact in a way, but really it is also a great hack so you guys can follow, and that is exactly why we told you in the beginning of this video that the more yes, the more money you can make. So like we said, the more poll questions you get as well means you're gonna get more money. So the more yes answers you have, the more money is gonna come into your account, and you'll have more poll questions. You're gonna receive more poll questions, which is rare because sometimes it is also based on your answers, wherein if you are gonna get more questions or lesser questions following questions that you've already answered. So we obviously want more poll questions to come in so we can make more money. So you have to have more yes answers. So try to make more yes answers happen. Besides, they won't be really checking up on you 24/7. So you can have some no's here and there, but make sure that most of the time you really fill up with a yes. So make sure you try today's method out, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.